Hey everybody, Steve from OpenBOM here, and welcome to today's video. Every engineer knows, or every engineering manager knows, that one of the most time-consuming things for the engineer is fetching part numbers based on the company standard, whatever your company uses for part numbering, and assigning them to new designs. So OpenBOM just made that significantly easier. Let me show you how. I've got a design here for a flashlight. I've got some new parts, some old parts. My typical activity would be I've got to go get part numbers for each one of these and assign them in CAD. I can do that, but it takes a little bit of time. With OpenBOM, with this release, we can now set up some catalogs ahead of time. In my case, I've got some electrical, I've got a catalog for my molded parts. Define what that part number sequencing should be. And then with this new feature in CAD, say, hey, look, go generate part numbers and follow the sequencing that I've established in OpenBOM and assign it to all the part numbers in my structure. There's more detailed videos on how to do that, but essentially we use the option in the generate part number, and we say get part numbers for structure and dive down into my subassemblies. And after I do that and then generate a bill of materials, I will find that in my bill of material, all my items have part numbers based on their categories and based on my company's standards for generating part numbers. So of course there's more details on this in the help, but I want to introduce you to in this release to this new feature of get part numbers. And I know you're going to enjoy it. Of course, we always love to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Thank you.